Hey everybody, this is Silverbella. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So this month makes 4 years that I've been natural, and I've never put direct heat on my hair, but that is going to change today. Again, I've been natural for 4 years, and before that I transitioned for 9 months, and even while I was transitioning, I never put direct heat on my hair. So I'm just ready for a change, ready for a new look, ready to try something different. And I'm going to use this doohickey right here. I know you guys have seen this, it's all over. It's the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. That's the official name. Got this off of Amazon. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. I have been nervous about putting direct heat on my hair, on top of just really not having a desire to have straight hair. I really love my kinks and coils. But again, just ready to try something different. Yeah, I've always focused on healthy hair, so you know, the frequent washes, always deep conditioning, getting my trims, all that good stuff, and staying away from heat. That is my idea of being extremely healthy and protective styling. But I figure, why not? I'm going to be careful. I have a heat protectant. I've done my research, as in watching a lot of other YouTubers, and I feel pretty comfortable at least giving this a try. So let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. So let me set this up for you really quickly. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned and in sections, still in twists. And I'm just going to use water, just going to dampen a little bit. It's been air drying for about 2 hours, so just going to put a little bit of moisture back on it. So water, Miss Jessie's leave-in, and just got me this little bottle of the Chi 44 Iron Guard. I got a little small bottle from Ulta because I don't plan on putting heat on my hair too often, unless this is just really successful and I really love it and I keep doing it. So that's it. Is there anything else I wanted to tell you guys? No, that's it. So let's get started. Okay, I remember what it was now. The settings. It's just 3 settings: cool, low, and high. So I'm going to start off on low heat, see how that goes, and then take it up a notch to high and see how blown out this thing can get. That's what it was. All right, I'm going. Bye. So, wow, yeah, this is it. I'm going to keep going, and then we'll see what's happening at the end. This is pretty cool. Wow. This is one side done. Not too shabby. So I will do the other side and I will be back with final thoughts and results. Hey everybody, so this is it. Probably should trim it or something, huh? I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I'm very pleased with the results. Okay, I'll probably do a braid out or something like that, but whatever I do, I will probably record it and show you guys. But to talk about this blow dryer, it's pretty awesome. I don't have any complaints about it. I was warned that heat only comes out of the top, so that is true. Not sure why that's the case, so I did make sure, if you noticed, to have this top part on my strand. So other than that, very easy to use. Did the job as far as I'm concerned. Wow, look at all this hair I have. This is literally the first time I'm seeing my hair straight since transitioning. So, well, not straight, blown out since transitioning. So this is pretty cool. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will do a video to show whether I got any type of heat damage. I really doubt it. I hope not. But pretty simple process, and I think I'm going to enjoy this. I might do it more often. So yeah, I think I'll do a braid out, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. Braid out or bantu knot out. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching.